Hello, this is Mike Crane, the developer of the CivilWar150th.org website. I'm going to show you how to add items onto your blog. Everybody who's a level 1 partner has a blog, and you simply log in. The best way to do it is by just going to CivilWar150th.org/WP-admin. You all should have a username and password. The username I'm going to use today will be for Fort Oglethorpe, Georgia. Here I'm logged in. You go right into your dashboard. Their blog looks like this. Many of the blogs look similar. Different areas to keep attention to is this is the featured area. All your blog posts show up down here. Your links are right here as well as right there, and your pages you create will be right across the top. For a post, you would simply add a new post, or you can edit a post. My new post. This is my post. And I can do several things here. I've got several options. I can create a category or assign it to a category including featured. Well, if I select featured, it will show up at the very front of the site right here. Now this big image is set using a special field called screen, and that's set up within your new post. If you scroll down to the custom fields area, you have under name, bring this pull down menu, you see screen, and the value will be the path, the URL and path to your image. Path to my image. I'll show you how to get that path here in a minute. After I'm done with my post, I can click on publish, and that'll write it to the website. I can go in and edit existing posts as well. There's one I just created. I can edit it, do a quick edit. I can delete it, all right here. If I click on edit, it'll just show it up in the same screen we just saw earlier. To add that screen area for this path to my image, I would simply go into my library. These are where your images will be. I could add new images to my library by clicking on browse, then finding the image on my computer, and then clicking upload. When you do that, it'll show up on your library. In this case, I'm going to choose this one. If I click on it, it gives me the URL of that image. I can simply highlight it, click on edit and copy, go back to my posts, go back down to my screen section down here under custom fields. I just deleted that. I'm going to click on edit paste, and I am done. All I have to do now is update post. Go back to my website here, and I refresh. There's my new image and my new post, and everything's working great. So that's how that all works. Right now though, since that was a test, I'm going to go ahead and delete that post by clicking on edit, click on delete. Am I sure? I'm going to hit OK, and it's gone. If we go back to the blog, I hit refresh, and it shows up exactly where it was before. Okay, so we went over posts, we went over media. Links, I'm going to scroll down here, allows me to create links that will show up on my website. Again, that will show up here and here. The way you edit those or add them, they're both very similar, just like the posts is. Click on edit, and if I want to edit this one, I can just change the name of it to City of Fort Oglethorpe, Georgia. or whatever the address is, and I click on update link, and I'm ready to go. I could also click on add new, and it just gives me a blank form I can fill out, and click on add link, and it'll add them automatically to those sections. Pages show up as a link across the top of your page. Also, it shows up in this area right here. So I can go in very easily, just like we did with the posts area, and edit. I'm going to click on edit on the one I've done before. And I can just create my page. Here's my title. To add a picture, I will click on add media. In this case, it will be a picture. I can do it from my computer using the browse button and upload. That will add it to my library. Or I can go immediately to the library, pick an image, click on show, give it a title. What size do I want it to show up as? I'm going to select medium for this example. And I will click on insert into post. I'll update my page. If I go to my page here, there's my information. There's my images I added, including all the text. So it's very easy to add a page and make changes. Now I'm going to go and delete my page. Just do exactly the same thing we've done before by going to delete, hit OK, and it's gone. Comments, that section is used when somebody makes a comment to a post or a page. You have to approve them before they show up on the website. That's very important. Right now we have no posts, no comments there, but if we did, it would show up right there. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and make a comment. I'm going to pretend I'm a user. Go back into my comments. I'm going to refresh here. Here's my comment. Since I posted it, automatically approved it, but I can unapprove it, call it spam, call it or delete it whenever I want. Since I posted it, automatically approved it, but if a general user did that, then it wouldn't approve it automatically. Well, that's it as far as how to add items to your blog. Hopefully this is helpful. Thank you very much.